Hello and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel.
Vlog number 0 is not a motor vlog, it's a general vlog instead.
Race goes Park Rawalpindi. We wanted to play badminton, but the wind was blowing.
These are Humayl and Ismail, my kids.
The children played on the swings, and we played frisbee. Then our frisbee got stuck in the tree.
In the evening, my children were practicing some stunts on their bicycles. In our streets, there is a little room for these type of, I should say, healthy activities. I explored some nature. This is the honeybee in slow motion, hovering over the radish plant. I love nature. These are lilies, the famous Pakistani truck art. The weather was awesome. It was cloudy and cold breeze was blowing. So we decided to have some flitters. Our children are promoted to the next class and it's their graduation ceremony. Afterwards we celebrated with pizza and cake party. My car was giving sluggish response, so I decided to change its air filter. Dismantle the airbox and put it aside. It looks quite messy. Firstly, I used a clean cloth to clean that grime. This is the grime. And afterwards, I used the injector cleaner. I make these air filters by myself using foam, which I divide in two pieces. Look, it's quite dirty, so I'll cut new foam pieces and put it inside that tray. I'll discard these ones. After I put new foam inside it, I put oil over the surface, which helps catching dust. After that, I assembled the whole thing back together and we are done. Bye bye.
I wanted to wash and polish my bike after changing its oil, but the things didn't went according to my plan, and I ended up washing the porch afterwards.
आर्यान साहब ने इधर पत्थर फेंका है और आर्यान साहब एक मूली खा रहे हैं जो हमने किसी की क्यारी में से चोरी करके निकाली है.
3 days ago, I mounted this tin for the sparrow. Sparrow made its nest using straws from dove's nest and hence ruined it. Now what?
Another dove is making its nest right over there.
I'll give an update whenever she lays an egg.
So me and Aryan are on the rooftop for practicing our shooting game.
This is my SR1000S. The bottle cap in front of the tin is our target. Aryan hits the tin. Perfect. So if you have stumbled upon my content for the very first time, be sure to like, share and subscribe. So I'll end this vlog over here. Ta-da!